Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you two recipes in one, because what I need for recipe A is the same thing I need for recipe B. So that's why I said let me do them together, since we'll be using the same measurement and the same mixture. So today I'll be showing you how I make my own Nigerian buns and Nigerian egg roll or egg buns. So come with me and let me show you how it is done. For our buns we need milk, baking powder, sugar, nutmeg, salt, butter, melted butter, flour, eggs and turmeric. I'm using turmeric for the color. I don't want to use food coloring. I just put turmeric to give it this golden color. Also we need oil for frying. All the measurements will be in the description box below, so make sure you check the measurements out. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be mixing everything together. Mix everything together. You can see the color very well, so I'll add a little bit more. I will tell you everything in the description box. Yeah, I like the color now. Now I go to my wet ingredients. I've mixed everything together now. So the butter, make sure it is melted butter. The milk and the egg. I prefer the egg to be cold. So I brought this one out from the fridge. See how some butter I will scrape everything. Good. So what I'll be doing now, I'll mix together. I have to finish it up with my hand. See the color. This is so nice. And there's nothing about adding turmeric for color. It's just about, you know, when they say first impression matter most. Yes, when I had buns for the first time in my life, the color, when I opened it up, the color was, the inside was yellow. I was like, what did they put inside? So when I got to know that it's food coloring, I said no, I better put something like turmeric in mine to give it the color. So that's just all about it. If you like, you can just leave the turmeric aspect, you can leave it. Now we've done with the buns, the mixture of the buns. I'm just going to set this aside. Now we want to do the egg roll or egg buns. I told you that it's the same measurement with that egg, the buns we did, same measurement. But what I did was that yesterday night I did this mixture and I put it in the fridge because I love my egg roll to be very soft. So it's different. You can see it's different from the one I just made now. Let me show you the one I just made now. The one I just made now is this. This one has rested overnight. We just made this one now and there is no problem about that. And as you can see that this is plain and this one is yellow. I didn't put any turmeric in this, but I'll be using this. I just want you to see that you can do it plain or you can do it with the turmeric, or if you don't have turmeric you can use your food coloring. So what I'll be doing now is I will show you how to do the egg roll. If I've ever done scotch egg before, it's almost the same way. Just make it as light as you want it to be. put the egg in it and pull the dough over it. I have excess, so what I will just do is cut off the excess and make this one very smooth. I think it's too much, so just cut it here. This is okay. The next thing I'll be doing now, I'll make sure it is very smooth. I'm done with this. Let me go to the next one. Another way you can do it is just take the dough and use your rolling pin to flatten it out. I'm just using this small one for the fun of it, not for any reason. Yeah, you can use your big one, big rolling pin if you like. And the same way we did that one, just put the dough over the egg, then you cut off the excess. It's so very super easy to make. Anyhow you like it, just make sure it's well sealed. This was the one I made with my hand, and this is the one I made with the rolling pin. I think the rolling pin one is smoother. I will do everything now, then I will show you how it is when I finish with them. I also want to try the yellow mixture. I want to wrap the egg in. You can see that it's a bit sticky because the dough has not rested. So all I'll be doing now is I have to put a little bit of flour on my worktop and on the dough and roll it out. Put in my egg, pull it over the egg. We have excess, so I'll be using knife. You can also use knife to cut off the excess dough. Make it as round as possible so that when you are frying it doesn't burst open. What this will be needing now is to go into the hot oil for frying. But before we do that, I want us to go back to our buns. For the buns, we've done the egg roll. For the buns, I have to dust my hands with flour and my worktop because it's a bit sticky. If you want it to rest in the fridge for some hours, you can, but I just want to fry it straight away, just to let you know you can fry it straight away. So what you do is just fold it in. There is no head there, but fold it in to form the round shape. You know the way the egg buns, the buns is round, almost round. Yeah, let's put it that way. Then you roll it on your surface if you want it that way. And see the way I'm doing my hand, my fingers are a bit separated and not really flat, so you roll it in like that. This is another one. Don't do too big a size. Don't let the size be too big, because when it gets into the oil it will take longer, and in that process it may get burnt. I'll show you one more. That's it. Now I want to do the plain one, the plain dough. I want to use it for buns. So you can choose what you want, what you prefer. This one is so easy to work with because it has rested so well. So what I'll be doing now, the same way I did the others, my fingers in claw shape, you see it in claw form. I just do it that way so that it is well closed. Then we are ready for frying. It's time to fry now. My oil is already hot. Low heat. Now I'll be putting in the egg buns or egg roll in first to fry. Egg buns is ready. Egg roll, look at it, it's very, very inviting. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking of coffee, tea, cold drink, cold malt, or cold martina? Fanta, Pepsi, Coke, it will go with it, or just pure cold water. This is so inviting. Now we want to do our buns. Still low heat. And be on the lookout. Don't leave it unattended to. It's time for me to take them out of the hot oil. As you can see, these are lovely. They are very crunchy on the outside, but on the inside I'm very sure they are going to be so super soft. We will see when I cut them open. This is how our egg roll and buns looks like. You can see egg buns and buns. This is just buns. All these ones here, they are buns. See, they are opened even after we molded them very well. They are still open. And these are the egg roll. See, and all I'll be doing now, I will take one of each, then I will cut and let you see how they look like. I have the egg rolls here. I want to cut open so that you will know you see the inside. The plain one, look at how the inside is. The yellow one. And at this junction, I want to say a very good thank you to Folake. I call her Iyabeji, that is mother of twins. Folake told me that I can use turmeric instead of using food coloring, and it's been a very brilliant idea. The turmeric will not change the taste of the mixture. It's just going to give it that color, and that is it. Now let's cut into the buns. And the white. So tell me, which one do you prefer? You say it's so easy to make buns and egg roll. You can enjoy it. When it comes to cooking, it is good to explore, because you're going to discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, comment in the comment section, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.